Hello, I am Dr. Sarah Williams, your healthcare guide today. In our daily lives, maintaining personal hygiene is crucial, not only for our own health, but also for the well-being of those around us. Today, I will be sharing 10 essential practices for maintaining good personal hygiene. Let us get started. Regular hand washing is your first line of defense against germs. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after using the restroom, before eating, and after touching surfaces in public places. Good oral hygiene prevents bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Brush your teeth twice a day, and floss at least once to remove food particles and plaque. Showering daily helps to remove sweat, dirt, and bacteria from your skin. Use a mild soap and warm water to keep your skin clean and refreshed. Keep your nails short and clean to prevent the buildup of dirt and bacteria underneath. Trim your nails regularly and clean them thoroughly to avoid infections. Always wear clean clothes to prevent body odor and skin infections. Change out of sweaty or dirty clothes as soon as possible and wash them regularly. Wash your hair regularly to remove dirt, oil, and dandruff. How often you need to wash your hair depends on your hair type, but keeping it clean is important for both hygiene and appearance. Use a tissue or your elbow to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. This simple act helps prevent the spread of germs to others. Clean your ears with a damp cloth, avoiding the use of cotton swabs inside the ear canal, which can push wax deeper and cause blockages. Regular ear cleaning is important for good hearing and overall hygiene. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated and flushes toxins from your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Your phone, glasses, and other frequently touched items can harbor germs. Clean and disinfect these items regularly to prevent the transfer of bacteria to your face and hands. These simple yet effective practices can greatly enhance your personal hygiene and overall health. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you are taking proactive steps to protect yourself and those around you. Remember, good hygiene is not just about cleanliness, it is about caring for yourself and others. Thank you for joining me today, and stay healthy.